Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this tasty spaghetti you are seeing on your screen. This was made in less than 30 minutes. I didn't use any tomato paste or any tomatoes to prepare this spaghetti, and it turns out so great. It is made with few ingredients that I'm going to share with you guys, and this spaghetti is so good. So make sure you watch this video to the end, and if it's your first time here, my name is Grace and I share recipes like this you find very interesting. Just take a moment and hit the subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So I'll just start by showing you the ingredients we'll be using to prepare this spaghetti. Here I have my dried prawns. I've already soaked it in water. And next is my peppers. I'm using the combination of all these peppers. This is red bell pepper. I've already removed the seed inside. I have here my shombo and my scotch bonnet pepper, and I'll be using crown spaghetti for this recipe. I have here my deboned mackerel fish, and I have this bleached palm oil. To me, this is where the secret ingredient lies: bleached palm oil. And here is my leek, seasoning powder, and onion. All this put together is going to give us a very delicious spaghetti. I'll start by blending the peppers with the onion, and I'm not going to make this very smooth. We are going to just roughly blend this. In a pan of boiling water, I'll be adding in the spaghetti we'll be using for this. I will give this a stir so they don't stick together, and I'm going to cover the pot and I'll allow this to cook. The pasta is almost ready. I'm going to stir it once more and I will take this off fire. I will pour it over the strainer and run cold water on it so that it can stop the cooking process altogether. I won't like this to cook any further. This is very perfect. To make the spaghetti proper, I'll pour in the bleached palm oil into my cooking pan, and I'll go ahead to pour in the roughly blended peppers and onion. I'll be stirring this together and I'll allow this to fry. The aroma bleached palm oil and peppers they bring is always very good. So I'm going to be adding in my deboned mackerel fish and I'll continue stirring. I'll be adding in my parsley flakes to this. I don't know why I skipped it when I was showing the list of the ingredients we'll be using, but parsley flakes and spaghetti, I think they are just meant for each other. So I'll be adding in salt now, followed with the seasoning powder. I'll be stirring this all together and I'll allow this to align. I'll allow the whole mixture to come together. After about 5 minutes, I'll be pouring in the cooked pasta and I'll stir this up all together. I'll pour in the leek. If you haven't been using leek for your spaghetti, just try it out. It is very nice. And I'll be pouring in the soaked dried prawns. I'm going to cover the pot and I'll allow this to heat. Just take a look at how lovely this is looking already, and the aroma from this is so nice. I'm just going to give it a very good last stir, and our simple pasta recipe is done. Let me tell you, this is way even tastier than the popular pasta recipe. Just try this out and let me know what you think. Because me, I have made this more than 3 times this week. That is to tell you how thirsty this is, and my family have have just become so addicted to it. Thank you guys for watching this video to this point. If you like recipes like this, or if you want to spice up your cooking, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel, because I share back-to-back video content like this just for you. And leave me a comment below. I like to see your comments. Give this video a thumbs up and share my recipes. I would like to see you next time. Bye and have a very good day.